Hey, so today I'm going to do a quick den decoration. I forgot to make a fall den, and I'm going to quickly do it, and then I'm also going to make a Christmas den later today, because I'm like way behind. So, I'm going to start up. Okay. What else? That looks good. Definitely. That. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly go. No, I'm not. Hang on. Wallpaper. Ah! Wallpaper. So. What would it be? Probably that. Say that. Oh, what did I have? Was it that? Okay. Yeah. So quick run to the diamond shop. Yeah, oh, it's really busy here. Okay. Grab one of these. Oh, past the colour. Grab that. That. So we got that ready aside. This music's really loud. Okay. That. I'm actually gonna grab that because I don't like that. No, black. Okay. Run home. Chuck it all in. So, oh no, I think that just rotated the way I didn't want it to go. Hang on a minute. I think I really did this wrong. Oh, hang on. That goes there. Oh no. Oh yeah. No, what? Oh. What? Huh? This makes no sense. What's there? What's this one meant to do? What? But, oh my goodness. Maybe a couch, really? Okay, this is lame. What the? What is even this? Oh, forget it. I'm not going to use it. Just go way up down. This is the fireplace. There we are. Gosh. Okay, put arch there. And decoration there. Up there. Chuck a tree over here. Turkey mat for the fire. Yeah. Okay. Is that called turkey? That's what I've got. It's called turkey. turkey. Oh yes. There. Okay, I guess I don't. What else would we call like fall? Oh, me wood. Me wood! Oh, maybe I should do these as furniture. So couch was a fail. Seriously. Get 2 throws. That looks really bad. It's like the worst den ever. Okay, this is really bad. I know. It's really bad. Maybe I might line the streets. That might be better. What do I do with this one? I like that and kind of move that there. And I need something there like a pumpkin. Aha. Yes. Okay. Just up here. Beautiful. Now we need like some logs of wood. Ooh. Stuck that This is called wood pine. Here, I have a pine cone. Can I get rid of these? Could I use these in my Christmas den? I don't do the same. Put that there. I'm gonna go wood. Oh, it's right there. Okay. We're gonna wood. I think we'll go like there. Like a door. Put down this arch. Yes! Okay. Door. That looks better. This house is really bad. That might look nice. Maybe I'll get rid of these. And make like a feast party area. Oh, these. And this is empty. Put it there. Put that there. That there. And that. No. And hide it from here. Yes. This is better. There. And then I need that. No, good idea. Okay, now we need food. Food. So we like should be a food category. That'd be so cool. Popcorn. And we need drink. And we need pizza. Pizza. A pizza. We're going to go black. That's huge. Take it over the table, isn't it? Okay, so we have food. I don't like the table. I want it. I want it. Yeah. Maybe it's the pizza I'm not liking. Oh. Poop. Oh, maybe it's this now. You toodaloo over here. Let's go toodaloo. Beautiful. Okay. Let's have a look. Something missing on this floor. A rug. Some sort of rug. TV. A pie. Cool. Oh, that's huge. I don't know what to put on my floor. Ooh, some fun! I don't know why I just did that. Floor. Oh, a piano. Sure doesn't. Yeah. Oh no. It's squeezy. What? Oh wait. Piano on the wall. That's not right. Is it? Oh, unless. This could be right. Hang on. Ah, yes! Cause you can like sing songs and stuff, don't you? That's cool. I think. Okay, I think that will do it. Here is a fold down. Right, let me get a selfie. Hey, my popcorn's gone. Oh. Just gonna give you a pie. Okay. Ta-da! And we have it. There is my fold-in. There we go. We are complete. Here, but okay. Okay, well that was it. That was just a bit of a den decorating session. There we have it, all done. So that's it. Ciao. Bye.